2010. Introduction. A computer is an electronic machine or device that processes data to give information. People use computers to process data. Data simplifier refers to raw facts and figures. These may be in the form of numbers, alphabet, images, sounds, or a combination of these. Data needs to be processed to make it meaningful and useful. When data is processed for some meaning, it becomes information. Database. A collection of related tables with data is called a database. The data remains in an organized order in a database. A simple example of a database is the attendance register of your class, maintained by your class teacher. It contains the name of each student of your class with their roll numbers. A personal telephone directory is also an example of a simple database. Databases are very useful in maintaining data. Some advantages of database are easy retrieval of data, reduction of data inconsistency, easy manipulation of data, reduction of data redundancy, easy sharing of data, high data security. You can perform various kinds of operations on a database like creation, deletion, modification, and updation.
Relational Database Management System, RDBMS. A relational database is a collection of data items organized as a set of formally described tables. Data can be accessed or reassembled from these tables in different ways without a need to reorganize the database tables. The concept of relational database was given by E.F. Ford at IBM in 1970. In addition to being relatively easy to create and access, a relational database has an important advantage of being easily extendable. After the original database creation, a new data category can be added without modifying all the existing applications. A relational database is a set of tables containing data fitted into some predefined categories. Each table, which is sometimes called a relation, contains one or more data categories in columns. Each row contains a unique instance of data for the categories defined by the columns. For example, a typical business order entry database would include a table that describes the customer details with columns for name, address, and phone number. There are many RDBMS software available. Some of them are Oracle, FoxPro, and MS Access.
Database objects. All objects of a database are stored in a single file. These are managed through the database window. Let us discuss the main objects of a database. Table. A table is a part of the database where the actual data is stored. Microsoft Excel stores the related entries in its row. This row is called a record. Each type of detail in a record is stored in its columns known as fields. For example, in a table, the names of all the students of your class can be stored in one field with the field name as name and all the data entries under the field names name, age, address together form the record of a particular student. Query. A query is used to extract information from a database. The output of a query is a record or a group of records that fulfill a certain condition. An example of a query is to get the record of the student with roll number 32. Form. A form resembles a fill-in-the-blank sheet that you fill completely by hand, such as a job application. Hence, a form is a way to enter data into the database. MS Access links a form to table and hence stores the information that you put in a form into the table. Report. Just as forms are designed to be on screen, reports are designed to be printed. With Access, one can design the reports quickly based on the data of the table. Microsoft Access is a popular relational database management system.
It is one of the application software of Microsoft Office package.
Microsoft Access is widely used by individuals having small-scale businesses within departments of large corporations,
And also used by hobby programmers to create customized systems for handling the creation and manipulation of data.
It is a development environment used to create computer databases for the Microsoft Windows family of operating systems. In Microsoft Access, the data is arranged in the form of tables. Every specific piece of information in a table is known as a value. A value is located at the intersection of a column and a row.
Remember, the total number of values in a table is the number of rows multiplied by the number of columns. Do you know the initial code name of MS Access was Cirrus?
Starting Microsoft Access 2010. To start Microsoft Access, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click Start button. Step 2. Click All Programs. Step 3. Click Microsoft Office. Step 4. Click Microsoft Access 2010. The Microsoft Access screen appears. Now you can create a new database or open an existing one. Access 2013 or 2016 update. Access 2013 is the version of Microsoft Access released on 29th Jan 2013. Access 2016 is the latest version of Microsoft Access released on 22nd September 2015. Careers in ICT. A database administrator designs, implements, and maintains the database system in an organization. How to become bachelor's degree in computer science or information technology. Skills. Knowledge of database theory and design along with RDBMS, MS Access, MySQL, logical reasoning, critical thinking, strong problem-solving skills. Creating an Access database. Before you create a database in Microsoft Access 2010, you must remember the following things. Purpose of the database, tables, data of the database,
Forms and reports.
user of the database, queries that the users need. Microsoft Access 2010 provides the following ways to create a database. Creating a blank database.
Creating a database by using a template.
Creating a database by downloading a template. Creating a database by using a template. A template is a ready-to-use database that contains tables, queries, forms, and reports needed for performing a specific task. Several templates appear by clicking Sample Templates from the available templates. You can also download templates from the office.com templates. To create a database using a template, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click Sample Templates from the available templates. Step 2. Choose the type of database you want, for example, students. Step 3. Specify the name for the database in the file name box. Step 4. Click the Create button. Access creates and opens the database for you. By default, a form is opened where you can enter data. Creating a blank database. To create a blank database, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click Blank Database from the available template. Step 2. Type the name of the database in the file name box. Step 3. Click the Create button. Access creates and opens a blank database. By default, an empty table is opened, Table 1, in which you can enter data. Access 2013 or 2016 updates. To create a database using a template in Access 2013 or 2016, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the File or File tab. Step 2. Click New option from the Backstage view. A list of templates appears. Step 3. Click the required template. A new screen appears. Step 4. Click Create button. Access 2013, Access 2016. To create a blank database in Access 2013 or 2016, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the File or File tab. Step 2. Click New option and select Blank Desktop Database or Blank Database. A new screen appears. Step 3. Type the name of the database in the file name box and click Create button. Access 2013, Access 2016. Creating a table. You can add a new table to an existing database by using Tables group on the Create tab. The two major ways to create a table are Datasheet view and Design view. Creating a table using Datasheet view. In Datasheet view, you enter data in the table directly. To create a table using Datasheet view, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click Create tab on the ribbon. Click the table from the Tables group. Access creates the table and select Click to Add column by default. Step 3. Click in the column and type the data in it. Press Tab key to add a new field to the table. Step 4. Now, save the table by clicking the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar. Step 5. Give a suitable name to the table in the Save As dialog box. Step 6. Click the OK button. Access 2013 or 2016 updates. You can use Table command from the Tables group of Create or Create tab to create a table using Datasheet view in Access 2013 or 2016.
Do you know?
You can double-click on the Click to Add heading and rename the field. Practical in Computer Lab. Create a database named Reminder which contains all the details of your friends. Create a table Friends in it which will have the following fields: ID, names, phone number, and address. Guidelines. Step 1. Open Microsoft Access 2010 and click Blank Database. Step 2. Give database name as Reminder and click the Create button. Step 3. Give the name of the field and type the data in it. Step 4. Save the table as the name Friends.
Viewing a table. To view a table and its data, simply double-click the table name present on the left pane. The table opens in the right pane, displaying all its records.
Table structure. The table structure indicates what kind of table has to be created. A table structure identifies the name, size, and type of various fields. A table stores various types of data. The data entry varies according to the type of field in a table. Some data types are as follows. Text. The data type text contains letters, numbers, and symbols. The numbers in a text field are considered as text and cannot be used for calculation. The length of the text field varies. It can contain a combination of up to 255 tags.